him a letter and just like thank him for his vocation and for his prayers. Something to think about if you know who I'm talking about. Ordination gifts are the best. I guess it's whatever their priorities are. Nah. Sorry. That was a terrible joke, Skip. And it was awful and hilarious at the same time. It was hilarious in its awfulness. Okay. Were you thinking about that look at all when you saw him?
Well, I'm wondering which one you're thinking about. There's two that come to mind based on your description.
I think I know who you're talking about, and he dances at the crazy hat dance at our youth conference. That's awesome. Uh-oh.
Did you go up into our bedroom, bud?
No, I am in the bathroom.
She was dead asleep when I left that room. Dead asleep.
Why'd you murder her?
Murder her?
She was dead.
That better be enough eggs because that's all the eggs I have. Hey, gamer fan, welcome in. Here, let me give you a egg pan cam. Boop. There you go. Oh, I don't even have this on. Jeez. Good gracious. What was I doing? Okay. I'm going to make those and then set them aside, and then I'm going to do the things in there. The gift of hospitality is that if we are willing, we can always meet new people at the monastery. It's tough to lose friends and family, though. Yeah. I mean, it's incredible that you guys are together for each other, and I was thinking about that. We have a family member, my mom's husband's father is very ill, and his wife is also ill. She broke her hip recently, so she's having difficulty taking care of him, and they only have one child, so it's just like impossible. Tiziano, thanks for the follow. But so like it's very, very difficult for their kids to take care of them because they're not around and there's only one of them, and it's just a whole, well, there's two of them but one's in Texas, but it's just like it's difficult, right? And so I always think to myself like, oof, it was a good thing we had all these millions of children, right? And that's a great thing about being in a monastery is that you don't really have that problem, that you have brothers to take care of you. I don't know. It's just a thing I've been thinking about. Spending time in a monastery really makes you consider an awful lot about religious life. And if you're not Catholic or if you've never really thought about it, like this is one of the things that like greatly struck me when I converted. Because my church takes people to Father Simon's monastery for a retreat before you convert. And like, it never occurred to me because I converted from Protestantism where there's no monasteries. That's not a thing. There's not religious life in most Protestant religions, denominations. And I thought it was incredible to see that these men woke up every day at 5:30 to pray for us. They pray every day, and like every priest in the world does, but I didn't really realize that until right then, that like there were people who dedicated their lives to giving a crap about people who will never know they exist. But if you knocked on the door at St. Meinrad and you were like, hi, I'm an atheist, I don't believe in God, I hate everything, and I'm starving, will you feed me? They would say yes, and they would bring you in, and they would pray for you, and they would give you a place to sleep, and like, just incredible. It's just an absolute amazing thing that exists in the world, and I think a lot of us get caught up in like the who's a hypocrite and who's not a hypocrite, and who's, you know, at the Vatican sucks and who at the Vatican doesn't suck. But at the end of the day, what really matters is those dudes like Friar Nick and Father Simon. I don't know. It's just, I'm gonna cry thinking about it. Humph. Back to the eggs. Look at the eggs. Don't look at me.
water. It's pretty good.
Sure.
Drink more chicken.
Drink more chicken? I don't even know how one would go about drinking more chicken.
They just do.
You just simply do it. Preach. Thank you. Sorry. This is me.
I'm
Right,
such
right.
an idiot. How did I
Religious
forget
life is called a radical witness to what is good and holy in the world. Wait, did you update the kids' plan for Barrett's birthday, but not Maggie's? Cue Gregorian chant right now. Yes, Mooney did. I didn't. Would it be an inappropriate time for to redeem channel points to get yelled at? I mean, not necessarily. No. Somebody drop 99 bits so that Father Simon can give his Gregorian chant.
You kept calling him Brother Simon.
No. Well, he reminds me that he is in fact still a brother. There it is. Mortal's got us. Thank you, Mortal. I'll give you your patron saint in just 1 second.
Yeah, Friday Nick thinks I'm smart.
Nick thinks you're smart about what?
He said drinking chicken. Wow.
Yep. See, I don't like that I'm using